You can use Screencast Video Recorder to make a video for your church or family. Download and pin the Google Chrome extension. Then to start a video, click on the Screencast extension and start recording. Enable audio and video recording. Before you record, you need to get everything ready that you'll need. Open any websites that you'll need. If using slides, put in any text, images, or video. The Snip and Sketch app is good for capturing screenshots to put in your presentation. The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints website has great free visuals in Media Library, in images. When you push record, click on the screen that you want to show and push share. Prepare how you want it to look before you start talking. Explore the tools. Just experiment your first time with the tools. Hide the window. At the end, push stop, then edit the beginning and ending to take off what you don't need, and save the trim. Save the video or upload to YouTube for easy sharing. Open YouTube, your videos, choose the picture that you want to show, the title, the link type, whether it's unlisted, private, or public, and share. Have fun making your video.